YouTube family, my junk family, junkrepreneurs, entrepreneurs. What up, though? What's going on? I am Mr. AMG, y'all. Networking is essential, man. It's very essential. You started a small business, you're getting your feet wet, you're getting out here, you're doing your thing, you're going to want to network. Don't burn bridges, all right? Don't burn bridges. The best thing to do is just not even deal with whoever it is that may cause you any type of conflict. Just don't do business with them, man. That's the best advice I can give you, man. Let me tell y'all something. A lot of people out here don't understand networking is so essential. It's the primary thing that will take you from A to Z. You feel me? You want to get to everything in between. Some people want to go straight from A to Z, and they burn bridges, and they won't never get there. They stranded. But if you want to be smart and you in this for the long haul, network with people. All right. Don't be in it just for the short-term play. The long term is where it's at. Let me tell y'all something, man. Long term, slow money beat no money. I'm sure y'all done heard that before. That is facts. Give me the slow money all day long, man, because I ain't got to look over my shoulder, and I can sleep fairly well at night knowing I didn't do anybody any harm or unjust to get whatever I was trying to get, because I already know I'm going to get there. And I want you to know that wherever it is you want to get to, you're going to get there too. You can get there as long as you had the right mindset. See, a lot of people don't have the right mindset. Money fucks up a lot of people's mentality, y'all. Because all some people see is the money. It's like dangling the carrot in front of a rabbit face and putting them on a treadmill. He's just gonna keep running after it. Well, that's how money is. You know what I'm saying? And people are cutthroat, man. Don't be cutthroat. Treat your workers right. Treat yourself right. Treat your customers right. Man, you do those three things, you gotta win. You feel me? But there's so many people out here, man, that's cheapskates. So many people out here, man, trying to just fuck over on people. You know what I'm saying? Just so they can get they little bit. Man, when it's enough for everybody out here right now it is. You know? And if you can't get it the right way, that say a lot about your character. See, these TV shows and these rap lyrics and things like that, it's glorifying for people to fuck over on people, man. Just to get a car, man, or to get some jewelry, man. To get meaningless shit, man. Let me tell y'all, man. It ain't worth it. You don't gotta backdoor your people just to get ahead, man. Just lock in and get to work, and everything you want will be yours, man. It will be yours. I firmly believe in that. It's a slower route, but I like the scenic route. Don't bother me at all. I ain't in a rush to impress anybody. Something always stuck with me, man. You know, people do a lot, man, just to get a damn car, man, so they can flex on somebody at a stoplight who ain't gonna never see their ass again. Y'all think about that one. I just wanted to make this video, man, because networking is essential, man. I love networking, man. I love it, man. You never know who you're gonna meet. You never know who you're gonna need out here, man. You cannot work your way to the top by yourself. Whoever told you that, they're a goddamn liar. We all need somebody. So keep your name clean, keep the stains off of it, man, and you will succeed. All right? I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video, man. I just wanted to tap in with y'all, man, and talk about some real one time with y'all. You know, everything don't revolve around junk removal and dumpsters over here, y'all. You feel me? That's a +1. over here. At the end of the day, it's all about being a better version of yourself, because if you become a better version of you, it will reflect in your business, y'all. Peace.